Can we get back to the pillow fight?
No! Don't waste your tears on that cheating jerk.
You're right.
He forgot your anniversary anyways.
Yeah, he didn't give me a present.
Now let's get you better flowers. These are ugly anyways.
Thanks, they're beautiful.
Now let's go find you a better boyfriend.
Okay.
What the? Amy!
What?
This is mine! Now we won't get our brushes mixed up. I'm so hungry. Lily, you're messing up the table. I was coughing and that's what you're worried about? Now your table looks good as new.
Hey guys, I got all the books and the basket. This was my favorite basket.
Don't worry.
Yeah, we'll make you a new one.
Thanks guys, this is much better.
You're welcome.
Hey, what you up to?
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
No, why are these all over the place? There. Now they won't be all over the floor.
Thank you.
What are you doing? That's my earring. I've been looking for it.
Well, it was just lying around.
And my bracelet and my ring.
There, now they won't be lying around everywhere.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. If you like our hats such as makeup organizer, bottle supply holder, vase, and filter flowers,
Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And give us a big thumbs up and comment down below.
see you in the next video. Bye!